Hi everyone, welcome back to the second video. So my first day as a BA planning a project, I didn't understand. The first day of my BA career didn't feel exciting. I felt terrifying. So I walked into the project room expecting someone to guide me, but everyone was so too busy to even look at me. No one explained the project, no task, no direction, and in that moment, I realized I had to figure this out myself. Okay, so first is shock. Uh, Let me say no clear instructions, and nobody explained the project. Everyone too busy. And I was lost. Okay, the project was already on fire. The project was already on fire when I started. The customer complaints were piling up and deadlines were missed. The developers had no idea what they were supposed to build. And the biggest problem, there was no plan. People were just doing things. Okay, so that's the main idea here. Complaints piling up, deadlines missed, developers con confused, no proper plan. Okay. So my first realization, that is when I remembered something from BABOK, a line I didn't understand earlier. Before you do any work, you must create a plan. Now it made sense. Before meetings, I needed goals. Before tasks, I needed the scope. Before the documentation, I needed clarity. Planning is not paperwork. Planning is how you save a drawing project. Okay. So my realization before work, make a plan. Before meetings, no goals. Before task, no scope. Planning saves projects. Okay. The first plan ever I made. So I sat alone in a corner and created my first BA plan. Not a fancy document, just a simple outline. That is that is this project trying to fix. Who are the people I need to talk to? What decisions haven't been made yet? And what could go wrong? This small action gave me a control for the first time. What is the project? Who should I talk? Who should I talk to? Talk to, and what decisions are pending? What are the risks? Okay. The meeting that changed everything. Armed with that plan, I scheduled one meeting, just one. Okay. So I asked simple questions that Babak told me to ask. What is the actual problem? What is the expected outcome? What happens if we do nothing? Suddenly, stakeholders start talking. Issues came out. Assumptions broke. The team finally aligned. For the first time, everyone saw the real picture. So I asked the right questions. Stakeholders opened up. Hidden issues came out. The team finally aligned. Okay. So here I think I have a mistake. Okay. I don't need this one. Okay. I can change this one. I finally this is the chapter 1. Okay. So that's when I truly understood BABOK Chapter 1. Planning is not creating document, planning is giving direction. Monitoring is not tracking status, monitoring is pro- protecting the project from going off the rails. Without these two, every project becomes chaos. So with them, everything makes sense. So here, planning is direction. Okay, direction. Monitoring is tracking. Without it, chaos. With it, clarity. Okay. Okay, so your takeaway here. So your takeaway, if you are starting your BA journey, remember this. Before you run, plan, know the problem, know the people, know the path. Because clarity is your biggest superpower as a business analyst. So always plan first, know the problem, know the path. So what is coming up? Next episode, In the next video, I'll take you into a real elicitation session. The moment I had to ask question in a room full of senior people who expected me to already know the answers. This is where the real BA work begins. Okay, so real elicitation story and asking questions under pressure, how I got the requirements. Okay, so I'll see you in next video. Thank you.